I am the terror that flaps in the night. I am vengeance. I am night. I am CoverGirl! I want a new name!
What's wrong with your old one?
It sells makeup, not me as a hero. I need a name that describes me as a crime fighter. Something that lets the public know I'm super and a girl. If only I could find the right words!
Word is that other girl from the Metropolis has just saved the day for the first time, making a fresh start for her new superheroine career.
That's it! That's my name!
Lois?
No, Supergirl. Did you creeps forget? I am vengeance. I am night. I am...
We know. CoverGirl.
It's Supergirl, bitch!
Hey! You changed your name!
Dick, what are you doing here?
Major Dick, Mary Ann from Channel 7 News, can you please tell us how you saved a city, yet again?
Oh, Mary, there's nothing to tell. I was just on my daily heroic patrol and happened to see my ex-sidekick, CoverGirl, here, struggling with these two weak, common burglars, and I thought I'd help her out, for old time's sake.
CoverGirl, can you give us more detail on how Major Dick saved your life?
Okay, first off, it ain't CoverGirl, it's Supergirl. Second...
Oh, out of time! You heard it here, folks. The city's beloved hero, Major Dick, has yet again saved the day with little to no help from rookie hero Supergirl. That bitch! That's a wrap, people!
Dick, you stole my moment! I was gonna make a name for myself!
You had a name, CoverGirl!
Don't call me that! I don't cover your ass anymore. It's officially Supergirl now.
Damn! You mean you're official?
Official?
Wait! You mean you haven't officially registered your hero's license yet?
Hero's license?
He's talking about the DNV. The Department of Naming Vigilantes. It's required that superheroes register themselves.
Why?
Legal shit. But it's mostly for marketers so they can sponsor and trademark merchandise.
And because of that, to avoid competition, heroes can't have the same name.
Supergirl!
Yes?
No, I mean that other girl from the Metropolis. Is she official?
Oh no, I don't think she is!
Where are you going?
The DNV? I gotta get there before that other girl steals my name!
What about them?
Who cares? I'm more important. Besides, all they stole were some stupid nickels.
And about $17 worth, by the looks of it.
What a waste! What? Why bother robbing a bank if all you're gonna steal is lousy pocket change?
Let's go help her.
I'm just saying, why bother robbing a bank if all you're gonna steal is lousy pocket change? It doesn't make sense. Oh, boss. I didn't see you. That's all right, Bill. Buck, he's Bill.
Oh, sorry. You know, I just can't tell any of you apart in uniform.
Cut me a little slack here, huh?
Anyway.
You two seem to have no trouble collecting the funds for my latest evil scheme.
Well, we did have a little trouble.
Oh,
It's no big deal. It was just some super makeup sales girl. But it's okay. She seemed busy with something else. Probably some other sales girl. I mean, makeup is a really competitive market.
good. Then that means there's no one to stop me from getting my revenge on Shay Lobster!
I'm surprised you're helping, Major.
Well, Princeton, someday you just gotta let the baby birds leave the nest and fly. And pray they crash and burn in the process.
What the hell?
It looks like a giant nickel.
Wait! They used all those nickels to make one giant nickel? That's stupid! As nickels, it was at least worth a few bucks. But one giant nickel? That's still just worth 5 cents!
What?
Aren't you going to stop them?
Not to worry, I'll take care of it. Unlike a certain hero we know, I'm selfless and care more about the public rather than their opinion.
Yeah, right. You stay here with Princeton, I'll take care of them.
Good thing we threw out that rope. It was really weighing the copter down. I gotta piss.
All right, you bastards, get ready for it!
So, how long have you been sidekicking for CoverGirl?
What? No, I'm not her sidekick. I'm her boyfriend.
Huh. Really?
Yeah, we've been dating since high school.
That long and she's not bored with you yet?
That's enough about me. How about you? How do you pick your superhero name?
Major Dick. Well, you see...
See here, makeup saleswoman. This is a strictly man-run operation. We are not interested in your cosmetic products, so you can butt out.
Makeup? I'm here to mess up your face, not make it pretty. But after I'm done, it might actually be an improvement.
Ha! You're such a funny girl. You're so stereotypically witty and angsty.
And you're...
The Nickler!
I was gonna say pathetic and...
Lame! So you just decided to use your actual name but put Major in front of it?
Hey, it was really hard to come up with a name that reflected my awesome heroic persona. That and all the good names were taken. I almost had to use someone else's name, but with numbers, colons, and shit. I was lucky nobody else wanted to be called Major Dick.
Gee, I wonder why.
Why the giant nickel, you ask?
I didn't.
You see, when I was young, I spent my days trying to win the heart of my high school crush, Emma Price. And then, senior year, I finally wore her down, and she agreed to go to the Save the Whales dance with me. But before we went to the dance, I impressed her by taking her out to dinner at Chez Lobster. But I was a nickel short of paying the bill, so we had to scrub dishes for the rest of the night. After that, she dumped me and hated me even more than she already did, ruining any chances I had left of winning her heart. So, as revenge, I plan to pay back the restaurant by flattening it with a giant nickel!
Yeah, there's a problem with your plan.
Really? What?
It's stupid. Damn that nickel guy wasting my time!
Well, what do I pay you people for? Stop her before she snaps the last rope!
Actually, haven't paid us at all.
Yeah, I think our paychecks literally went into that giant nickel.
There you are, Mr. Cheater. May I help you?
Quick! I need to register for my superhero license.
Name?
Curse you, super! Oh shit! What was it again? No! Don't tell me! Super makeup woman girl cover. Oh no! I've got it.
Curse you, Supergirl! We will meet again! You have not heard the last of the Nickler!
Are we late?
Here you are, Supergal.
What? No, it's Supergirl, not Gal.
Oh, sorry, but that other girl already registered with that name. But if you're really keen on it, we could work something out. How about a $sign instead of an S?
Well, looks like you're official. Supergirl.
It's not Supergirl. It's Supergal.